Hello everyone, I'm Mahesh Patil and today I am going to present manufacturing process of crankshaft with the guidance of Mr. Mahesh Pisasar. Manufacturing process of crankshaft. This is the image of crankshaft. It is the how actually the crankshaft looks like. Introduction. A crankshaft is an important part of an engine. It is the heart of automotive vehicular system. A crankshaft is an internal combustion engine which converts the linear motion of piston in rotary motion of flywheel. This converted rotary motion is used to drive automobile or any other devices. Power from burnt gases is the combustion in the combustion chamber is used through the piston pin and connecting rod. A crankshaft has a very wide range of application from small single cylinder engine to very large multi-cylinder engines. It is an important part in various types of engine like aerospace engine, vehicle engine, and also in a diesel generator. Designing process. Crankshaft is a large component which is complex in geometry as the crankshaft experiences a large number of load cycles during its service life. Fitting performance and durability of this component has to be considered in the designing process. The geometrical model of crankshaft is created in figure 1 using CATI version 5 software. CATI is used as preprocessor where solid geometry is created using 2D drawings and created 3D model is exported as IGS file for next process. Did the design consideration and conclude that to apply the selection of material and manufacturing process need comparatively study to heavy cost effectiveness and defect free shapes respectively. The very prevailing machine of failure of crankshaft is fitting. So the accurate stress are critical inputs from fitting. The stress and strain analysis must be considered due to the nature of load applied on crankshaft. Crankshafts are made from forging steel or cast iron. Crankshaft for high volume, low production vehicle are generally constructed from nodular cast iron, which has high strength. The proportion of material used in crankshaft in a car engine in 2003 were estimated to be cast iron 25%, steel 20%, and microalloyed steel 55%. Manufacturing process of crankshaft. The first one is forging. There are three typical stages of crankshaft forging. It is made up of closed die forging method. Second, casting process. Selection of furnace is most important for melting the material in the any product manufacturing. We selected the material for crankshaft casting is forged steel or cast iron. For this we use cupola furnace. The mainly cupola furnace is used for melting cast iron, steel or other alloying materials. In industry, crankshaft made on large scale, so we use cupola furnace. Casting. Casting is basically pouring the molten metal off for producing desired product. Metal is first heated at required temperature and then poured into mold. After knockout, finishing is done by machines. Crankshaft made of casting have lowest strength and tend to brittle, so it can be strengthened by some post processing, heat treatment, and surface treatment processes. The green sand foundry or iron sand casting process is used. Machining. Machining is a material removal process from billet with a required diameter. In this process, a part is machined from a billet. This method provides flexibility of design. The billet process makes it much easier to locate the counterweight and general webs exactly where the designers want them to be. This process required tooling like lathe machine, shaper, precision drills, milling machines, etc. Inspection process of crankshaft, industrial cleaning. Second is magnetic particle inspection, check crankshaft bearings, micro polishing, Rockwell hardness, quality control. Conclusion: we have learned how to design a crankshaft, which softwares are used to design is known to us. We learned the selection of furnace, selection of forging, selection of casting process, and different machining operation. We learned how to product is made. Thank you.